Crafting precise edges and smooth cuts starts with having the right tool in hand. The best budget router woodworking option delivers dependable performance without inflating your costs, giving hobbyists and DIY builders reliable power, clean profiles, and consistent control. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. DEWALT Router Woodworking Router. The DEWALT Router Woodworking Router is built for woodworkers who need dependable power, precision, and smooth operation when working with hardwoods or detailed routing tasks. Equipped with a strong 2¼ HP, 12.0 amp electronic variable speed motor, this router has more than enough strength to cut through dense and challenging materials while maintaining consistent performance. The motor's speed range of 8,000 to 24,000 RPM allows users to match the cutting speed to the specific bit size or type of wood, ensuring cleaner results. The soft start feature reduces the initial torque when powering on, offering better control and preventing sudden jerks that can affect accuracy. One of its best features is the microfine depth adjustment ring, which allows adjustments in extremely small 1/64 inch increments. This type of precision matters greatly when creating joinery, dovetails, or detailed trimming work. The router also maintains a constant switch location during vertical adjustments, reducing hand repositioning. The tool-free steel motor cam lock gives fast, secure depth changes and base adjustments, which helps speed up workflow without sacrificing stability. Number 2. Bosch Woodworking Router. The Bosch Woodworking Router is designed for users who want a strong motor paired with excellent control and smooth handling. With its robust 12-amp motor and adjustable variable speed dial ranging from 8,000 to 25,000 RPM, this router manages a wide variety of woodworking tasks, from fine detail work to aggressive material removal. The constant response circuitry technology is one of the standout features, maintaining speed under load and ensuring stable startups without abrupt torque spikes. The microfine bit depth adjustment system allows extremely accurate depth tuning for precise cuts, which is particularly important for creating grooves, inlays, joints, or pattern routing. The rounded hardwood handles provide a comfortable and natural grip, giving the user improved control during extended use. This router also offers flexibility in switch placement with both left and right-hand options, making it comfortable for all users. The threaded 3-hole base pattern is compatible with most router tables, adding further versatility for shop setups. Number 3. DEWALT 20V Woodworking Router. The DEWALT 20V woodworking router offers the convenience of cordless operation without sacrificing control or cutting performance. Ideal for trim work, cabinetry, and mobility-based projects, this router is built around a powerful motor supported by full-time electronic feedback that maintains consistent speed throughout every cut. The variable speed dial allows you to match the router's performance to the material and bit size, improving cut quality and reducing the chance of burning wood. Dual LEDs illuminate the workspace clearly, making it easier to follow cut lines and avoid mistakes in low light or shadowed areas. The depth adjustment ring makes height adjustments quick and accurate, while the soft start motor ensures smoother operation right from the beginning. This router also includes an electronic brake that rapidly slows the bit once the tool is switched off, adding a layer of safety and efficiency. The compact, ergonomic design helps reduce fatigue while offering excellent maneuverability, especially on edges or tight corners. Number 4. Bosch PR20 EVS Woodworking Router. The Bosch PR20 EVS woodworking router is a compact yet powerful tool designed for precision trimming, edge routing, and detailed woodworking tasks. Despite its small size, it features a 1.0 HP,
5.6 amp variable speed motor capable of speeds between 16,000 and 35,000 RPM, giving users excellent flexibility for light to medium duty routing. Its durable aluminum fixed base adds stability and lasting strength, while unique finger support pockets give users greater control when working along edges or performing delicate cuts. The depth adjustment system offers both macro and micro adjustments, ensuring precise tuning when accuracy is critical. The quick clamp system enables fast movement or removal of the motor from the base, improving workflow efficiency. The router also includes a straight edge guide, allowing users to maintain clean, straight lines up to 3 5/8 inches from an edge. Its angled cord exit design helps keep the cord out of your way, reducing accidental snags. The PR20 EVS supports bits up to 1 5/16 inches in diameter and uses a versatile bit changing system with either 2 wrenches or a spindle lock.
Number 5. AVID Power Woodworking Router. The AVID Power Woodworking Router combines power, convenience, and affordability, making it a popular option for beginners and experienced woodworkers alike. With its 6.5 amp motor delivering 1.25 HP and a variable speed range of 10,000 to 32,000 RPM, this compact router handles trimming, grooving, and detailed shaping with ease. The rack and pinion depth adjustment system offers smooth and precise control, making it easier to achieve consistent cutting depths across different woodworking applications. Dual LED lights brighten the work area, helping users maintain accuracy even in dim environments. The ergonomic rubber-covered handle provides comfort and reduces hand fatigue during longer sessions, while the quick locking system ensures fast depth adjustments and base changes. The aluminum housing and base enhance durability, giving the router a solid feel in daily use. A built-in dust hood helps maintain a cleaner workspace by directing debris away from the cutting area. One of the biggest advantages is the generous accessory package, which includes 5 router bits, an edge guide, roller guide, dust hood, 3/8 and 1/4 collets. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.